Let's create AI scenarios within an online training. Now I have an online training for customer interaction skills for sales associates. So basically, if you go into a retail store and you have someone to help you pick up your next favorite outfit, well, they need training how to communicate with you as the customer. So imagine you are that sales associate and you need to practice. AI Scenarios is a safe space for an engaging interaction. So instead of lean backwards where you watch or go through, even scroll through an online training, you lean forward. You are actively learning. But with AI scenarios, you also have the chance to practice safely. So you try the answer, and if it doesn't work, Coursebox will give you a feedback. Let's go to my Coursebox. You click Edit Course. Within Edit Course, you just click Interactions and you click Scenario. Within Strategies for Addressing Complaints, I created a scenario as an interactive element. Make decisions across 4 turns, choosing the best wording and actions to resolve the complaint while keeping the customer satisfied. So even to be able to answer that, you have to read it as a learner as well. We have this nice image. We have 4 turns to save. You go out from Edit Course. Here is the description, what you have to do. You have 4 questions. Okay. This is the scenario. You are a sales associate at a popular Australian retailer. A customer approaches the counter, visibly annoyed about an item that didn't meet expectations. This could happen, actually. You need to respond calmly, de-escalate the situation, and steer toward a fair resolution without sounding defensive, because your store's customer satisfaction metrics are on the line. You know what direction you should aim the conversation. So start scenario. The customer says, "I bought this last week and it's already broken. I want my money back now." You notice their receipt, but you haven't confirmed the order or the warranty return policy details yet. What do you do first? Say, "We can't do returns for opened items without checking their purchase details." Let's do a really bad one. Let's choose this. We get an answer or a feedback. "You are starting a policy prematurely. The customer will feel shut down and you could be wrong about their eligibility." So obviously that was the wrong answer. You pulled up the order. The item is eligible for a return exchange within the time frame, but the customer is insisting on a full refund and looks ready to storm off. What do you say next? "Refunds aren't possible here, period." Mic drop. Obviously, not the right answer, or not the best answer in this scenario. This conflicts with what you just found. You will use credibility and worsen their frustration. Obviously, read the other one as well. So, obviously, we failed in this scenario. Well, it says good effort. We did the worst possibly. Either you try again or you move forward. Well, you should try again and actually do a good result. So this is how you can create AI scenarios. This interactive element will help them to practice safely. And if they don't get it, maybe then ask questions. It helps them to be more present in their online training. And AI scenarios give you personalized experiences. This was a really basic level. The AI scenarios were also on this level. And finally, how easy it was to create a scenario. It is engaging, it is fun, your learners can learn. So here you go. This is how you can create engaging AI scenarios within Coursebox. See you next time. Bye!